front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. With years of experience setting up iPhones, I always recommend managing notifications app by app for the best results. To do it on this iPhone, you don't need any tricks or special apps. All you need to do is open Devices Settings. After locating and entering them, scroll down to click on Notifications section, available under Wallpaper 1. Now you need to scroll until you see Notification Style. Under this section, pick one of your apps by clicking on it, like Spotify. Now use the switcher next to Allow Notifications to switch them off or on. If you don't want to block them fully, you can also manage Alerts section. Here you can pick one of those types of alerts and manage those switchers to adjust those options even further. This way you won't see notification from chosen app, on lock screen, notification center, and banner all at once. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!